So today I just bought the new Apple Watch Series 6. I bought the 44mm aluminum, and it's blue navy, it's the new color. So I thought why not to unbox it with you today. So that's the box. It's super clean and very small compared to the previous series. And let's open it. It's my first Apple Watch, so I'm so excited about it. Let's see. Open it from here. That way. It looks very nice. It's coming with 2 bags. Let's open this one first. Here I think it's the catalog. And that's the charger, or the USB cable only. It doesn't come with the adapter for environment reasons. That's the watch itself, and it has a kind of cover, or I don't know if it's plastic or paper, or that's it. It looks very good. That's the watch. So the back, it looks very amazing actually, and the front of course, but before I open the screen, the back is amazing. Anyway, it's not important because it's covered, it's next to the skin, so, but I just like how it's shining. Here the blue new color. Let's open this one. So as always, it comes with 2 sizes if you want to change to the small size. Let's try to get it out. That's the smaller size. So that's the screen. I will I will not bear it right now, I'm just trying to show you the quality of the screen. And it looks very nice. You can see here. Yeah, that's for today, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.